I have a friend that even stays at Lekki. She pays over 800k per month for lights. Concoction rice, it's actually my husband's favorite, and I just pray I don't mess things up, because one thing about me, guys, as usual, I didn't disappoint my husband. Like, the food came out so nice. Hi wonderful people, how you doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. So as you all know, I'm in Port Harcourt. Yeah, don't play. And Port Harcourt weather is so cool. Like I came here on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday till now they've only taken the lights 4 times. Like, I'm actually literally counting how many times they've taken the light, and taking the light in the next 30 minutes is back. Like, this is mind-blowing. Unlike Lagos, you're gonna see shaggy. Like, I have a friend that even stays at Lekki. She pays over 800k per month for lights, because there was a time that I went to visit her and I saw her electricity bill. So I was like, babe, is this what you guys pay in this house? She said yes now, that they're even about to increase it to 950. And I was in that house for good 4 hours. Light did not come, so she was claiming that they want to fix 1 or 2. The following day, the same thing. Before, she told me that they used to have light sharp, but they used to still on that generator, bro, in an estate. But she said that they're trying to get solar to assist that, Nigeria, you can't get 24 hours electricity. But even at that, actually, I'm not yet in our house. I'm still in my husband brother's place, and we're moving to our own house very soon. Though the landlord of the house that we rented is trying to fix 1 or 2. Yeah, they're trying to finish up with the plumbing work. And even at that, most of our properties, most of our goods are still in the park, and those ones will be landing in few days time. Let's say next tomorrow, because today is Monday. So those ones, no, today is Tuesday, so those ones should be landing in 2 days time, by Thursday. And by Friday we'll be moving to our house. So but that God is giving every single thing it should give. Like, it's really, really beautiful. So I'm heading over to the kitchen right now to cook. Yeah, to cook concoction jollof rice. No, not jollof rice, concoction rice. It's actually my husband's favorite, and I just pray I don't mess things up, because one thing about me is when I do something right, like when I cook very nice meal, and my husband come back and say, help me to recreate it. Like, he's been literally boasting about me since to his friends. I don't know if I should film them tasting the meal. Like, I'm shivering right now. I'm shivering. So guys, let's go over to the kitchen to start up the magic. Sasa, they fear. Don't fear, for the Lord God is with you, and we are going to do it. Okay, so let's go and do it. Let's get to the kitchen right now. So guys, bye bye, and I'll be right back. I'm going to tell you guys the reaction after eating the food. I just pray I don't mess up. I just pray I don't mess things up. So let's get going. Raise your hand up as I point. Guys, as usual, I didn't disappoint my husband. Like, the food came out so nice. Like when they were complimenting me, I wanted to like actually record, but I was so shy and I didn't want them to notice that I did any video or I vlogged. Like, they were all mad. They said this is so delicious, especially that stir fry beef that I sprinkled on top. They ate two plates, like two plates. Who are they? Just only 2 extra people. Yeah. Don't play. I'm a chef. Don't play. So if you're out there, just try out this concoction patlapa rice. Just like the way my husband would call it. It doesn't take time. Nothing. Just watch the video on how to prepare it and go and make it for your husband, for your family. Don't play. So guys, I'm loving it here. I'm loving it. Port Harcourt is so beautiful. She's so demure. It's so cute. Look at this hair, guys. This hair, I used over 18,000 to actually make this hair. And this is what I'm seeing. See here that I made with over 18k. But anyways, I think it's actually fine. Oh, some hair don't just last, and the money has gone. Alright guys, I think this vlog will be ending here, and I don't know, I'll see you all soon. Why am I even so happy? I never like see myself as a person that know how to cook. So each time I cook and I'm being complimented. Like, it used to give me this heavenly feel. Like I'll be feeling on top of the world. That might be, I can be silly at times, but thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this extent, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.